This is our lunch. This is the kids' lunch. Manarado has been working at the back of Nanay for the dirty kitchen. Nanay has been finished eating. And this is their food. Yeah, so this is libod. And this is a small libod here. This is different from bagungon. But the good thing of this is very sweet.
Na may hugaw?
Kuha na, bebe. Asay, pagkita ko, no? Ay, man.
Pait.
Di mo guna pait. Yeah, so this is, I paid this, I buy this yesterday for 40 pesos together with this litob, called it litob. Guniti sa nanay, beg, ako nuknoko nay.
Kik ako.
It's very small, but this is very good also, and it's more cleaner than bagungon. Because this was picked up on the near the ocean.
Muna kayo nung sa mga dato sa talibon, oy.
And Nanay said that this is the food of the rich.
Pero nagtimo sila daan og kuan, ituslok na lang tumoy dili magdukdok. Ituslok lang na mo isa bangag kanang
And there are some restaurant that is serving this. Very good. But it's so maputing. Look at that. Very small. And also it's very small meat that you can get in. Look at that. It just requires patience, because it's hard work. But the meat is really good. So when I was a kid, because we live there, Nanay always get this when it's low tide. Because naman is unasa na no, daghanan na no. It's if it's low tide, it's a lot in the ocean, in the hunasan, and it's cleaner. Not like the bagungon or the big one, which is found in the fish pan, which is a little bit dirty. Because there are some fish pan that they put fertilizer with they buy fertilizer, but there's also other fish pan owner that what they fed for their fish is just poop of the chicken. They goes to the chicken area, those who have a poultry, and they ask the poop and then fed it in the rice in the fish pan. That's why it's dirty. So that's why this one is more cleaner. Because I have a classmate before in high school that they have fish pan, And then he said that their grandfather is feeding chicken coop. That's why it's for milk fish. Let's continue. It's still a lot here, but it's good. Right, Batchoy? Right, baby? Tanang. Sige. Right, baby? Mo magtarong mag-screen laro di mo magsigig ka og ano. That's why I tell the kids to study hard so that it's not their food every day.